So if I have seen here, as we know that we studied about work, types of work, and when is we can say positive work done, when we can say negative work done, when we can say zero work done. So these are all the things we discussed it, and finally we made it two formulas for work done. That is what working on horizontal surface or working against to gravity. So if I have taken working on a horizontal surface, which is to say force into displacement, and working against to gravity, what is the formula? Everybody?
mgh.
Working against to gravity, it is equals to m into g into h. So that is what we say mass of the object into acceleration due to gravity into height above from the ground. So that is what we used to say that. So now let us solve the few simple questions related to that. And as I told you, you'll be having a coming exam, you might be having up to this. So from mass and weight to up to here. So very simple sums already we might be solved in our textbook, but still you'll be having here also. So after that we'll solve. And as I told you, if the force is applied horizontally, that is what displacement of force and as well as displacement same direction, then we can say work done is equals to, of course, whatever it is, the angle. So what is the formula, original formula? Fs cos theta. Do you understand everyone? So this is the formula which basically a standard formula, but we will remember F into S is a simple formula when we will say the force is applied in a both like horizontal direction. Either it is the same direction or it is opposite direction. If it is opposite direction, we will say what is the angle between them? 180. So that we can say work is equals to minus Fs. Or else you can simply say Fs cos theta. So cos 180 will become how much everybody? Cos 180 will become minus 1. So that finally will become minus F into S. Am I right guys? Please respond. Everybody? Clear?
Yes, sir.
Yes. So now write the first question. Question number 1. If you feel a simple also not a problem, but you have to write. Question number 1. Calculate the right. A force of 10 Newton is applied. A force of 10 Newton. 10 Newton is applied on a body. The body is displaced through 5 meters. The body is displaced through 5 meters. So remember, this is a chapter which is very important for even 11th class. So many things what is going to come here is again going to come there. So that's why give some importance to this chapter. We have only midday, next exam is only in December. So we have surplus time and many new things also I'm planning to include in this so that you all can have a better experience with the concepts in the 11th also. So 5 meters in the direction of force. 5 meters in the direction of force. Direction of force. So calculate the work done. Calculate the work done. So what will happen, everybody? So hereafter we'll avoid the writing question also. Given data alone, I'll say you can write. So what is the amount of force given? Everybody, 10 Newton. And the displacement is actually 5 meter. So amount of work done, you can notice it. Same direction of force. So it is a positive or negative, everybody? It is the positive. So 10 newtons into 5 meters. So which is equals to 50 Newton meter, and bracket you write it 1 Newton meter is equals to 1 joule. So that the answer is 50 joules. Is it okay, everybody? Clear? All of you? Yes, please. Yeah. Do it fast. Okay. Next question number 2. Completed, everybody? Are you all solving? Six, 7, 8 option. And Mr. Gokul, how are you, man? No activeness at all. Okay, do it. Right, second question. Calculate the amount of work done in lifting a heavy load of. Calculate the amount of work done in lifting a heavy load of. Calculate the amount of work done in lifting a heavy load of 50 kg. Lifting a heavy load of 50 kg. 50 kg to a height of 3 meters. To a height of 3 meters. To a height of 3 meters. So what is it, everybody? M is equals to, this is what? Working against to gravity or horizontal surface? Working against to gravity. So that, what is the formula, everybody? Anybody can tell? Working against to gravity. So G value is what? Negative or
MGH.
negative or positive? Negative or positive? Working against to gravity. G.
Negative.
Negative. And H is equals to 3 meters. So now work done is equals to force into displacement. As you know, force is actually mg into S is equals to H. So mass is 50 kg. Units is very important. G value is minus 10 meter per second square into H value is 3 meters. So now let us see how you will do it. So units minus 50 into 10, 500, 500 3s are 1500. So units is very important. Kilogram meter per second square into meter. So we all knows that kilogram meter per second is equals to something, or else directly I can write. So 1500 kilogram meter per second square is equals to something. Anybody?
Newton.
Newton.
So Newton into meter. Again I will write Newton into meter is equals to what? Everybody.
1 joule.
Okay. Or else directly I can write meter into meter, meter square. So kilogram meter square per second square is equals to how many joules? Everybody. 1 joule. So answer is 1500 joules. But what is the negative sign? What is the negative sign indicates? Work is done against to. Work is done against to
Gravity.
gravity. That is what you have to remember. Okay, everybody. Work is done against to gravity. Clear, everybody? All of you? Yes, please.
Yes, sir.
Wait. Minus indicates, that is also mentioned, because after a few days you might be think minus is related to negative and negative work done. My work done will be negative. Work done will never be negative. What is negative actually? The applied force and displacement are opposite, then we can say it is negative. So minus sign indicating working against to what? Work done against to what? Against to gravity. That's all you have to remember. Okay, everybody? Clear? All of you? Yes, please. Do it. Next. Next. So let's start next one. Doing everybody. Alfin, Hiroshi, Kishore. Who is this Kalai Selvi? I want to know. What Padma you were asking? Sir, if we use the formula W equals mgh, we have to consider the gravitational force instead of... No, Padma, when we are working against gravity only, we'll consider mgh. Okay?
Okay, sir.
Because they have
Yes,
given
sir.
mass. Have you noticed the first question? First question directly they have given applied force is 10 newtons. Means already they have given what? They already given mg. Do you understand? That
Okay,
is
sir.
what the meaning. See, remember guys, if they are giving already force means already they have given mg. But in this question, they are giving only what? Mass. So if they are giving mass means you have to convert into what? Weight. Weight is equals to what? Force. Force is equals to what? 50 into, you have to apply what?
9.2.
Yeah, gravity.
Gravitation.
That is what? Which is equals to 500 newtons. Purema.
Yes, sir.
Yeah, that is what you have to remember. Clear everybody? So last chapter gravitation, we have converted mass into weight. Do you remember that? The same principle you have to remember. Okay, guys? Yes? That is
Yes,
what?
sir.
Right. Next question, right? A car starts deaccelerating. Deaccelerating. So what does it mean? Deaccelerating means what? Velocity. Acceleration is decreasing or increasing?
Decreasing.
Decreasing.
Write it. A car starts deaccelerating on applying brakes. Deaccelerating. Deaccelerating on applying brakes and stops after traveling 10 meters. If braking force is 3 into 10 power 5 newtons. Calculate the work done. Everybody.
Sir, is it 3 into 10 power 5?
Wrong answer.
Sir, no, sir. I'm asking the braking force, sir.
Yeah, 3 into 10 power 5 newtons. Answer please. As it is deaccelerating, so that work done is equals to what is the formula? Everybody. Minus Fs. Do you all understand everybody? Deaccelerating, which is equals to minus Fs. Am I right, everyone? So what does it mean, the minus sign? Negative sign indicates what?
Sir, is it minus 3 into 10 power 6?
What, Mari? Already I am saying deaccelerating means it's not required to represent minus, Mari. Do you understand?
Yes,
If I represent
3
here
into...
minus, then minus into minus, it will become plus. Am I right? That's what.
Yes, sir.
Deaccelerating itself indicating a negative. Negative sign shows the force is acting opposite to the direction of motion. Okay, so substitute it, that's all. So what is the force? 3 into 10 power 5 newtons into displacement is 10 meters. So what is the answer? 3 into 10 power 5 power 1, 10 power 6 Newton meter. So which is equals to 3 into 10 power 6 joules. Clear everybody?
Yes, sir.
Yeah. Solve it. Hasini Sudhakar, are you solving? Hasini,
Yes, sir.
Princey, Mari, who is this Kalai Selvi, Mari? I don't know. Ma, who is this? Rename yourself. Am I audible?
Sir, ask whether is it Darshan or not, so whether it is his mother's
I
name.
don't know. Yes, yes. Okay. I think maybe Darshan only. He's trying to join. He texted me. Okay, we'll see that. Oh, Lingesh. Okay, Lingesh. Are you solving Lingesh? Completed?
Yes, sir.
Everybody done? Next question. A coolie travels 20 meters on a straight horizontal. This is one important question. A coolie travels 20 meters on a straight horizontal. Princey, are you solving? Horizontal platform. What you people are learning shows that you have to carry that knowledge to the next. Today you are learning, tomorrow again empty mind means no use of it. That's what I am saying. So a coolie travels 20 meters on a straight horizontal platform with a load of, simply sitting not, solve, everybody solve, load of 60 kg on his head. Calculate the amount of work done. Calculate amount of work done by him. Make it everybody and tell. Mr. Sam, are you solving? Prudvi, Darshana, Prarthana?
Yes, sir.
Yeah,
Yes, sir.
do it. Answer, please.
So is it 20 meters or 2 meters, sir?
Horizontal platform with 20 meters.
Yes, sir.
I want to see the basic conceptual knowledge of yours. That's the reason I am giving. Let me see how many of you saw. Yes, Prithvi. Answer, please. Lingesh, Sanjay, Nivedan. Really, Nivedan. Or basic concept, remember kadayada, Nivedan. Agalya, correct answer. Very good, Agalya. Answer, please. Answer, please. At least try to guess at least. What really Lakshanya? That's the reason you people are like this. Kavya. I don't know, Kavya, what you people are going to do it. Okay. So what is the displacement has been done here? 20 meters and the mass is 60 kg. So now you can see a man is, yesterday itself I told you, he is carrying a 60 kg load and his displacement is like, but force is applied in this direction. So what is the angle between them? What is the angle between them? Applied force is upward direction to hold the load and displacement is like this. So what is the angle between them?
90 degree.
90. Cos 90 is what?
0.
0. Then what nonsense you people are making this much time? That is what is my question. So force applied by the coolie in upward direction. You understand how poor you people are applying the concepts, what you are learning? This way I will get always angry on you people. Yesterday only I am saying 0 work done. When the angle between perpendicular, the applied force and displacement are perpendicular to each other. So what does it mean? The work done by the anybody, a walking on the platform or standing on the platform with a load, always work done is 0 only. I told you or not yesterday. Check your classworks. A coolie is walking with a load or he is standing with the load, always work done is 0 because he is applying the force perpendicular direction so that the displacement is and perpendicular force. Both are opposite to each other. So what is it? Class 90. Class 90 means what? 0. So force applied by the coolie, force applied by the coolie in upward direction. Force applied by the coolie in upward direction means in the sense of what? mg is equals to 60 into 10, which is equals to 600 newtons. So angle between the F and S. What is the angle between the F and S? What is the angle between the F and S, everybody?
90 degree.
90 degrees. So what is the work done?
0.
Fs cos theta. So Fs cos 90. So force is 600 newtons into displacement is 20 into cos 90. Cos 90 value 0.
0.
So 6 2s are 12, triple zeros into 0. So anything into 0 is what? 0. Okay. Clear everybody? Don't think, that's what I'm saying. Be normal. Don't think too much. What I can say, everybody's. If you are trying to think too much, that is what is always a common method. First 3 sums we solved, work done. So now you are also, you forgot all the concepts. Either we studied is a perpendicular force, the angle is 90 degrees or not. That and all you are not bothering. You are worrying about only this. What? Calculating work done. Multiplying that. That's all. Over. Is it what is the concept we studied? Simply whatever they have given, you multiply means you will get the answers. That's all. What Lakshanya? Mr. Mukesh? Whomever the answers those who said. Minimum you should think correct. You have to think and you have to work and you have to do it. This is what is always, it's not good at all, I'm saying. Mukesh, Kavya also. What is this Kavya? Even that multiplication also not proper. That Lakshya got something 11,760. I don't know what is that answer also. So that's what I say always. How far you people are remember carried forward and see that from yesterday to today itself this much disaster in the concepts. Do it. So Gokul, are you solving? Next question, right?
Yes, sir.
A force of C is smoothly handling. It is not. I'm going to say you. I'm not going to be make it anything. I'm saying me. I will expect always my students to work. What you learn, you have to carry it forward. That is the purpose we are working this much hard. Why all your friends are sleeping? Why we are working now? Because we have to make some difference between you and your friends, and something you have to do something better in your future. You should work today. You are learning, tomorrow forgetting. What is the use of it? That's why avoid it. And I'm saying you don't be too much of what we can say is a critical thinking in the normal situations also. The question is really tough, you can think, but simple questions also you are forgetting basic concepts and making everything errors. This is the reason you are not able to score in the exams. Write it. A force of 15 newtons. A force of 15 newtons acting on a body acting on a body at an angle of 60 degrees 60 degrees with a horizontal direction. With a horizontal direction. Displaces the body through a distance of 5 meters. Displaces the body through a distance of 5 meters along the surface of a floor. Along the surface of a floor. Calculate the amount of work done. Displaces the body through a distance of 5 meters along the surface of a floor. 5 meters along the surface of a floor. Calculate the work done by the floor. Sorry, force. Calculate the work done by the force. Calculate the work done by the force. Calculate the work done by the force. Clear, everybody? Answer, please. At least now be logical and do it. Sam did. Okay, Sam. So here's the force applied is 15 newtons. First, based upon the question, you can make the diagram. So there is a load of something we don't know. So we have been applied a force of now 60-degree angle from the surface. 60-degree angle. That is what applied force is 15 newtons. So that the body displaces a distance of 5 meters. Are you clear, everybody? Yes or no?
Yes, sir.
Yeah. Make it.
ಅಪ್ಪ ಏಳು ಮಣಿ ಕರಾತೆ ಕ್ಲಾಸ್.
Answer. Finished. So what is there? So
37.5 joules.
yes. So work is equals to force into Fs cos theta. So force is 15 newtons into distance is how much? 5 meters into cos
5
theta is equals to cos 60.
1 by
I
2.
already given cos 60 value. How much it is? Check it. 1 by 2.
1 by 2, sir.
Yes. So 15 5s are how much?
Answer
75. 75 joules.
into 45.
Cos 60 means 1 by 2. So means in the sense of 75 by 2
37.5.
is equals to 37.5 joules. So this is what is you have to do it. Anything doubt you can ask. Do it and make it everybody's. It's very important. It's not that easy. So concepts are very simple only, but while applying the concepts only, that the reality will comes. So anyhow, let it be, will solve. So energy sums we will solve few more, and then we'll go to the tomorrow only energies. So energies types directly and all will proceed it, whatever it is there. So let us start the next one. Right, everybody complete this one. All of you. A 500 joules of work was done in raising a body of 500 joules of work done, 5,000. 5,000 joules of work done in raising a body of mass 100 kg. What was the height? What was the height? Height to which it was raised. Option A, 25 meters. Use G value 10 meter per second square. Option B, 20 meters. Option C, 5 meters. Option D, 2.5 meters. Do it fast and tell me.
Sir, is the option C?
If you are confirmed, you can marry. Otherwise, I will see that. You try first.
That right.
Got answer? Yeah. If you are getting answer, that's fine. It's accept. Option C. Have you got the answer?
Yes, sir.
Answer. Okay. So what is there? You can see that. So we all knows that work done against to gravity they are giving. Meeting is going to end. You can write it. So work done against to gravity is equals to, what is the formula, everybody? mgh. Am I right, everyone? Yes. So we all know they're asking us to now calculate height. Height is equals to what? Work done by mg. Am I right, everybody? So work done is equals to 5000 joules they have given. Units also, why I am substituting, guys. Future, you are not supposed to face problems